Intensive nourishment. Restores moisture. Softens split ends and adds radiant shine as it penetrates. The perfect set to unwind and spoil yourself. Reward hardworking muscles and skin and take a moment for yourself with this set. Aim to help you de-stress while pampering your skin. Benefits. Muscle massage oil helps soothe tired muscles and is perfect for use after exercise or a stressful day. Multi-use Pampering Body Beauty Oil keeps skin and hair hydrated, and can be added to bathwater for extra luxury. At Weleda we know that traditional wisdom can prove well-founded, so to us an oil treatment is just what your hair and scalp need. Massage a few drops of this intensely conditioning oil into the scalp, or into wet or dry hair while styling, to add shine and intensively nourish dry hair and split ends. With invigorating rosemary oil, clover and burdock root extracts, it gives a deep conditioning treatment that makes hair more manageable. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome product. I have been using this hair oil for years. My hair is very thick, very coarse, wavy, curly, unruly, very dry, very frizzy, and a tad gray. It is shoulder length. I do color treat my hair. This oil can be used on color treated hair without a problem. I love this product.